Hi guys, my name is Dr. Gupika Nanda. Today I bring a topic about ankle strengthening exercise. So many of the patient, many of the person or athlete or many of the sports person are suffering from ankle pain, weakness, tightness, may cause a pain, plus it can leads to many of the problems. It will reduce the mobility and this issue can be leads to any of the risk factor. So that's why strengthening and the stretching of ankle is important. Of exercise about the ankle strengthening we'll demonstrate in this video, and should be stand back, taking back support. First exercise is draw the alphabet. In this it should be the simple exercise, but you have to concentrate on your coordination. First you have to slide your ankle like A and slide it B, make it C, but in one position only. You can repeat this 10 repetition as much as you can able to do. Second is standing calf raises. In that you need to stand properly. एक जैसे आपको comfortable लगे उस हिसाब से आपको back support लेके standing position में रहना है. And you need to come on the toe, hold the position for 5 seconds. If you can able to hold, then relax. अगर नहीं हो रहा हो तब यही position को आप repeatedly कर सकते हो 10 repetition. If you can able to, then 5 second hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third exercise is standing toe raise. In that you need to push your heel towards downward direction and पूरा weight आपका heel में होना चाहिए and raise your toe up. Hold the position. थोड़ा stretching feel हो सकता है. Let it be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. You can do it for 10 repetition like this. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Now the next one is single leg raise or a single leg stance. In this one is the simple as it sound. Just stand in one leg with your stance leg slightly bent. Maintain your balance for 20 seconds and 3 times you have to do for 2 minutes at least. And next one is tandem walk. Just make sure your heel should touch your toe in this position. Maintain your posture. देखो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सबका हो सकता है जैसे मेरा हो रहा है, but I'll make sure that once you start with the exercise, you can also make sure you can do it properly. And another thing, आपको यही posture properly coordinate करना है. हो सकता है कि coordinate ना हो, आपको किसी का हाथ पकड़ के या कोई support के साथ आप कर सकते हो, but you need to do it properly. Heel and toe should come together like this and reverse back. Relax. Next is standing mobility with ankle toe exercise. Is standing and same maintain the position. Ankle को थोड़ा नीचे push करिए. Hold the ankle for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Next you need to hold it like this apart from your leg and push your ankle down. नीचे press करो. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Another one, go back, raise your leg back side, push your toe towards opposite like in the upward direction, hold it for 5 seconds and last one of the mobility exercise is hold the position and the circle, make a circle clockwise and anti-clockwise. Try to maintain the posture, try to maintain the position and relax. गाइस, आपको जो भी एक्सरसाइज मैंने इसमें सिखाया है, एंकल के एक्सरसाइजेज, स्ट्रेंथनिंग के एक्सरसाइजेज, थेराबैंड भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू कैन एबल टू डू दोज एक्सरसाइज वेरी मच इजीली तो आप थेराबैंड यूज़ कर सकते हो. टावल यूज़ करते हो तो कर सकते हो. और अगर आपको वो करने में भी कोई डिफिकल्टी लग रही हो, एनी ऑफ द डाउट इफ़ यू हैव, प्लीज़ कमेंट सेशन आपके लिए ही है. प्लीज़ आप कमेंट उसमें लाइए और पता चलेगा आपको कि आपको क्या क्या डाउट है. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. विटनेस योर फिटनेस विद अस.